See, I think this particularly might be a little much.
You think? I think your dad could hack it.
Yeah, I guess with me. I was sort of like reassuring. Be like, it's perfectly fine. This is totally.
Hello. Oh, I love that music.
That's what I'm saying. This is like my favorite time of day. This and early morning and doing my favorites. Like this literally makes me feel like I'm on like the Pirates of the. Are you filming this?
Yeah, is that bad?
No, I'm
Like
saying
on the
something.
Pirates of
I'm
the
saying
Caribbean
something
cruise?
retarded. Yeah, you know, like in Disney, like the Pirates of the Caribbean, when it goes down that slope and you're like, oh.
This is a very Disney type place, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, right? Doesn't it feel like you're on a ride? Just the way everything's lit and stuff. Like,
Well, the cleanliness, the smells.